So welcome to the yard. This is my friend's boatyard, storage and building place that he has in Shillong. It's an old sailing hull from a racing cat, and then a couple of containers and stuff, and just plenty of space here, so we just kind of put stuff where we need to. This is actually a catamaran. It's the fifth one that my business partner's built. He's the hands-on guy. I'm the sales and marketing, which is why this is unusual for me to be doing this sort of stuff, because I'm normally sat behind the computer. But this is a custom-built aluminum power cat, all built and designed by us. It's the fifth one in a range that we've built. Plenty of seating on board, very easy to use, just uses outboard engine. So I'll show you more about this one later, but not finished yet, but on the way. So this is the inside of the boat. It's a Maxum 240 SR3, 2005, so a few years old, but it's, you know, in good running condition, apart from the gearbox, but I'll get to that. As you can see, it needs a little bit of detailing, just a tad. Yesterday we stripped out all the seating. I've still got a few bits and bobs to strip out, but emptied all the compartments and just generally got off what we could. Today is going to be a washing day, so as you can see, the vinyl seating has definitely seen better days, but we're hoping there's no actual damage to the seating. It's just mold, mildew, dirt, grime, a build-up of a few months of neglect / years. The gel coat needs a good polish. So the gel coat, for those of you that are not boat weary, is all the fiberglass basically. So on top of the fiberglass, they have a hard coating that gives a shine, kind of like the wax on your car. Here's the console. Normally you have the driver's seat, the front seat here. So we've got all the normal gauges, depth sounder, battery, temperature. We've got a compass up on the top here, old style compass. Revs for the engine, speed, good morning, and then oil pressures, fuel, and the trims on the engines. The boat does actually have a toilet, although you would need to be one of Snow White's dwarfs to get in there. I mean, I'm short, but even I would have difficulty getting in there. It's not a standing up situation, so but quite a bit of room in there, so it's not too bad. And the other side has quite substantial storage as well. I don't know if you can see in there because it's a bit dark, but you've got quite a lot of storage in there as well, so that's always handy. The bow, the front, the pointy bit of the boat, the go fast bit of the boat, is a bow rider. So that basically means that you have the seating, so you can sit down in the seat and ride in the bow. And then at the front we've actually also got a swim ladder, so you can just actually step down, climb down from the front and jump into the water and get back out again. And that actually just goes into an anchor locker with no anchor. We don't know where that's gone. So this is the inside of the boat. Work's going to be cut out for me a little bit because, as I say, I haven't done this before. It's a first time for me, so the first things will be just clean everything down and then see what repairs we need to do. Alloy, the paint on the alloys coming off, the rubber seals are dried and cracked. We've got to get the Bimini cover, which is the roof on the boat, which you can just see by the side of the VW camper van. It was converted into a bar for some horrific reason. But the Bimini cover's got to be redone. I've got to clean all those seats. We've got to get new carpets. It's another jet boat that we've got that haven't started on the project yet. Anyway, we'll get this one done first. So this is the inside. So these seats fold up and down and turn into a bench or two individual seats. And then under here's the engine, which is a Mag 350. Hey guys, just thought I'd give you an update really. Been a long day. I've only managed to get the inside clean because it was really dirty. You can see already the vinyl's looking a lot better. I'll jump up inside in a minute. Yeah, looking nice and shiny, so give me a second and I'll jump inside and give you a quick tour around. So back inside, as you can see the vinyl's looking a lot better. Colours have come up really well. Still a few areas that I'll need to play with, but overall I'm quite happy with the way it's come up. And we'll need to give it a wax and a vinyl polish as well, just to bring the shine back out. I've just realised with all these holes that there's still quite a few seats over there behind the van. I'm quite sad. But yeah, quite happy, it's come up really well. A couple of places, as I say, that need working on, but cockpit's looking pretty shiny now. These seats have come up really well, considering how bad they were, so I'm pretty happy with those. All the side panels obviously have come up well. So looking like a new boat. Well, not quite, but once we get a polish and a shine and do all the other 1,000,001 things that I need to do, should be looking pretty good. Got a couple of stains. That's a rust stain I need to get rid of. The back seat came up really well. Sorry for shaking, I'm a bit tired. No long day. Yeah, tomorrow is the outside of the boat, so I pretty much got to about here. So we've still got all the rear to do, all of this to do, and then both sides.